In this lecture, we'll see what is controller and what is compensator, the comparison between controller and compensator. So first we'll see what is controller. So controller, in technically we can say a controller is a complete control law. So this is a complete control law that determines the input to the plant based on the system error, reference or state. Based on systems error, reference or state. So this is the technical definition of a controller. Now in conceptually we can say that controller is the brain. Conceptually, if we compare this controller with the brain, so like a brain, that a controller is the whole decision making mechanism of a control system. Like a brain is controlling our body, so it continuously looks at what you want. So that is the set point. Then what you actually have, so that is the feedback. Third one is the difference. So that is error. So then it decides what control action it should take. Then it makes the decision what control action it can take. So this is a control system. So this is called controller. Now if we take an example of a washing machine, the controller decides when to start spinning. Then how much water it will take, how much water it will fill, and when to heat. All these things are decided by the controller. Conceptually, the controller is the brain of the system. That controller is the brain of the system. Okay, now we'll see what is compensator. So technically a compensator is a special type of controller. So this is a special type of controller, usually designed in classical control. To adjust certain performance like stability, steady state error, etc. So by shaping the system dynamics, So this is the technical definition of a compensator. Now conceptually we will understand what is a compensator. A compensator is not like a full brain, it's like a tuning device. Compensator is like a tuning device. Its purpose is to compensate weakness in the system. Like if the system is slow, if the system is slow, so in that case use a lead compensator to speed it up. Again, suppose any system has too much steady state error, so in that case use lag compensator to fix it. Use lag compensator to fix it. From this we can say it does not create main decision. It does not create main decision. It adjusts the performance. The compensator is like a glasses you wear. Suppose your eyes are already working, so that is a controller, but that glass is the compensator which make vision sharper. So if we compare that controller and compensator, so we can say, so this is full control law. And it it's only as a tuner. It's like a tuner. Then that controller design domain is time and frequency domain. This compensator is only in frequency domain. So its purpose is control the plant overall. And this purpose of this compensator is improve specific performance. Example of controller is PID, LQR, MPC, so on. And compensators are lead compensator, lag compensator, lead lag. So these are the example of that controller and compensator, and this is the comparison of controller and compensator. Okay, thank you.